You ever wish your stroller could just disappear when you don't need it? Like actually be easy to carry, not a backbreaker? This little guy might be the answer because, well, first off, this is ultra compact. It's not an exaggeration. This thing folds down insanely small, like smaller than most backpacks, which makes travel effortless whether you're juggling bags, airports, or tight city streets. It's super lightweight too, so lifting it into cars or onto buses is no battle. But get this, just because it's light and tiny doesn't mean they skipped on comfort. The breathable fabric feels soft for your little one, and the ride is smooth even on rough sidewalks. The all-terrain wheels actually handle way more than expected, and folding it and unfolding it is literally one hand and boom, ready to roll. It's become my go-to for travel days, quick errands, or just don't want to wrestle with a big stroller. If you want a stroller that's compact, easy, and still comfy for your kiddo, this one might actually change how you do outings. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.